in the Western world, both in America, England, Germany. An amazing thing, there is so much hunger for Ayurvedic clinical approach. So I teach them Nadi Pariksha. And in Nadi Pariksha, the basic Manduka Gati, Sarpa Gati, Lavaka Gati, Tittara Gati, Hamsa Gati, different Gatis are there. And with the grace of God, I am a good artist. I draw the picture of the pulse, how it looks. And we are doing webinars. And each Friday, some new subject, new topic, that how to determine Prakruti through the pulse, how to do the assessment of Vikruti, the present altered status of the dosha. Then through the pulse we can understand the Manas Prakruti, Manas Vikruti, sub-doshas, Pranavyan, Udan, Saman, all these sub-doshas. And boy, there is so much demand, people love that. And to teach this subject in Zooming or on Zooming is quite an art. We have 2-3 cameras where I go near the camera and I just say, this is Vata Pigam, Adya, Madhya, Antya Nadi. Adya Nadi, Vata, Madhya Nadi, Pitta, Antya Nadi, Kapha. And then slowly the spike under each finger, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. And when we go deep, Niguda Nadi, Prakruti Pradarshani, Uttana tu Vikruta. So muncha, muncha, dhrutva, dhrutva, hold it, leave it, hold it, and then you will come to that state, that spike. And you have to just pay attention to the kapha spike, pitta spike, vata spike. Under these 3 fingers, how many vata spike, how many pitta spike you get, and based upon that you can determine your prakruti. The deep level, the 7th level is prakruti, and prakruti is your unique genetic code. It is your blueprint. It is still there, pulsating, throbbing under your radial artery. And amazing, people love it. So this work, Ayur Prana, is doing quite a fantastic work in the field of Ayurveda. And a couple of years ago, I was in Coimbatore also. That Dr. Krishna Kumarji and Ram Kumar, they invited me to teach Ayurvedic art of, this is a lost art. No school teaches this ancient Vedic art of pulse assessment. And Krishna Kumarji, he loved it. He's such a holy person. And they have a big school there in Vaidyak Raman, and they do Panchakarma there. And there were about 200 Ayurvedic doctors. They come there to receive this art of reading the pulse. It is art, but it is a science. And in Ayurveda, science and art can go together.
It is just that everything is put through the same microscope today.
Correct.
So, if you say, I love somebody, they will check your blood and prove to you that you don't.
Correct.
So, all the subtler aspects of life, see, the grosser aspects of life manifest strongly. Studying them is one way. The subtler aspects of life, their manifestation is subtle.
Yeah, absolutely.
So for everything, if you say, show me where it is, you cannot… I cannot even show you the air that you breathe.
Correct.
Nobody can prove that you're alive actually. There is no proof that there is life here. The heart is beating, but time will come when they will make the dead body's heartbeat. It's not far away, I'm saying, they can pump the blood, they can make it work. So, there is no proof that we are alive either. So in a way, this… for everything gross physical proof will lead to a point where it's already happening, where life is not valuable, only the structures that we build is valuable. The fundamental life itself is not valuable. We are forgetting everything else that we built, the house that we built is only an accessory to our life. The clothes that we wear is only an accessory to our life.
Correct.
But these things have become bigger than life itself.
Absolutely.
That's so in a culture and atmosphere like that right now, it needs to get to its peak and go down.
Absolutely.
Till then, it's hard to convince people about the subtler dimensions. Beginning to happen, but still it's not mainstream.